Today I'm in such an inspiring mood that we're actually going to be talking about some of the things that have basically impressed me over this month and continue to help me towards my path of growth. Since we'll be going forward in no particular order, I've also listed down the items that I will be talking about, so if you want to jump right into something that you're more interested in, go right ahead. And as I move forward, if there is something that you have started to enjoy this month, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will try and see if I can inculcate that in my habits too. Now, as it is evident, I have recently started this channel, and even though I'm enjoying filming, as it is natural, life does happen, and sometimes you just cannot devote as much of time you wanted to your passion, which is why I'm starting to inculcate some of these rituals in my daily routine. They do keep me motivated and on track, and this video is going to include some of those. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Now, first and foremost in my list of July favorites are two products from Amazon. The first one here is this 12 by 12 inch felt letterboard, which is made of handcrafted solid oak and has this felt cloth for sticking your letters. Now, it also comes with 320 changeable letters, and not only that, they also have punctuations, emojis, and the alphabets are actually in 2 different sizes. Now, I got myself this black felt letterboard mainly because it went with the aesthetics of my living area, but you can also get them in different shades, and I believe they also come in pink, grey, lilac, and some other rustic shades. And you know what? This is especially great for somebody who runs a restaurant and wants a menu board, or somebody who just wants to have their daily routine listed out. And what's more, you can also get it in different sizes and a rectangular shape as well. So I basically ordered this for my affirmations, as you can see, and I basically have it today for I am more than I have become. Now, this is a quote from a book that I'm actually reading lately, which is called Girl Wash Your Face, and it is an inspiring book and I would suggest it to you, but I'm still not done yet. Not to forget, these daily affirmations are really helpful, especially in the times of COVID when you just want a positive corner in your room, and which goes well with your candles too. Now, this board also comes with the wooden stand, so you can basically put it in your corner, or you can also use this pre-set up hook and hang it on a wall. And if you have this in a place where it can get dirty like mine did, I just run a lint roller on top of the felt cloth and it was as good as new. Now, moving on to a simple yet revolutionary product is this scalp massager from Amazon again. Now, this one deserves all the special mention that it can get. It's actually called the Scalp Massager Pro, and you won't believe the amount of innovation that goes into this product. It is apparently the 3rd generation of scalp massager. Now, it is the #1 in hair brushes on Amazon, but it is also the #1 in beauty and personal care on Amazon, and I can understand that why. Now, it is rather easy to use and my hand just basically slides in, and it gives me a nice good grip in order to scrub my scalp during hair wash. Now, I have been using this in every hair wash, and let's just address the elephant in the room. I was worried that it may tangle my hair and cause breakage, but I have seen a healthier and cleaner scalp with almost the same amount of breakage, so no change on that. Now, the bristles are soft, so they don't really irritate your scalp, but thankfully they do get the gunk and oil sitting on your scalp with every hair wash. It retails for about 15 bucks and it comes in a 2-pack package. The other one that I got with this was a purple massager, so they do come in 2 different colors and you can separate them if you do actually give it to one of your family member. Now, because we're on the topic of hair care, I will move on to my next favorite here for the month, which is shampoo and conditioner duo. Now, I have always enjoyed my Moroccan oil treatment, which is this serum right here, which is why I decided to try out these shampoo and conditioner duo, which come from the same brand. Now, these two do not come in cheap. I got myself the volume in shampoo and hydration in conditioner, and these are in my favorites now, but I have been enjoying them for quite some time. Now, I think they only come in 3 other variants, which is hydration, smooth, and repair, and a purple shampoo for blonde hair, but I could be wrong. Now, this line is especially great for people who have treated hair, as it is color safe safe, sulfate, phosphate, paraben free, which is great for people who have got smoothing done or just color treated their hair, as it will ensure that your color or whatever treatment you have done on your hair remains intact and does not wear off very soon. Now if you've tried this serum, you know that it smells amazing, and so do these shampoo and conditioner duo. The fragrance also stays on for a little longer, so if you have a problem with that, you might just want to give this a miss. Now another favorite in beauty, actually more like skincare, is this A-derma Emollient lotion. Now I've lately been trying to avoid any mineral oil in my skincare products, which is why I bought this body moisturizer from the drugstore, and it has become my summer must-have. I believe this is a French brand and it creates products which are plant-based and dermatologist tested, so it's a win-win, right? It also is fragrance-free, and I got myself in the rich texture as I was buying it for the summers. You can also get it in heavier, thicker textures like Rich Plus or Rich Double Plus. Now no matter what variant you buy, the texture is a little bit weird, but somehow perfect for the summers. It does come out creamy, but as you spread the moisturizer on your skin, it tends to stay on your skin for a little bit longer than those quickly absorbing lotions, and it does dry out with time. Now if you do not mind that, this lotion is actually great for you, especially for the summers, because it does soothe your skin and also reduces any irritation, and as it is dermatologist created. Now the last one for today's rundown, but an equally good product, if not better, is this Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich Luxurious Face Cream. I received this sample in my Ipsy glam bag, I believe, and even though I received this in the month of April, I did not actually get to it until this month, and I'm glad I actually dipped into this. Now this baby is non-comedogenic, which basically means it is not going to clog your pores. It does come out thick, which is mainly because one of its major ingredients is shea butter, but fortunately it does not leave your face very greasy or oily. Now with this one, a little goes a long way, and it comes out in this shea butter or body butter texture, yet it is easy to spread. Now I'm sorry I cannot show you the texture of this one because the one that I've recently ordered has not arrived, and this sample is actually out. I have been using this morning and evening, which is why I run out of it in about 3 weeks, which is still great considering the size of the sample is just about half a fluid ounce. Now this one is cruelty free, which is why I got to it, but it also comes in pricey. The one that I've recently ordered is a 50 ml packaging, and it basically retails for about 50 bucks. Now even though this one comes in a bit pricey, I really believe that investment in skincare is a must, and this one does work its magic for sure. Now ladies and gentlemen, this is all for the rundown of my July favorites. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to be a part of Tashian family. One video every Wednesday. Now I will be back with another fun video next week, but until then, you take care, love yourself, and keep on inspiring. In hairbrush, I bought this